Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we have some glitches to go over as well. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also please take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so first up, let's take a quick look at our insert schedule for today, which is May the 22nd. So if you want to go out and pick up your Sunday newspapers, you should be receiving a Smart Source insert and a Save insert. Now, I did go ahead and pick up my newspapers today, and there are some pretty good coupons in there, including All and Snuggle. And don't forget, today on Inbox Dollars, we have new free printable coupons, and there are some really good coupons on there, so make sure that you go and check them out and print those off before they disappear. Now, I always use Inbox Dollars to print off my free printable coupons because they actually pay you to print off the coupons, and then they're going to pay you 20 cents per coupon when you use them in the store. So if you want to go and check them out, I do have a referral link. It is down in the description box, and I'll also leave it in the pinned comment down below. And if you use it, you're going to get a free $5 sign-up bonus. Yeah, so let's go ahead and jump right into these new Dollar General digital coupons. Now, this morning, the DG app was having some major issues. The coupons weren't showing up. If you could get them to show up, they weren't attaching to anything. So it's just been off and on all day long. So finally, the DG app seems to have been fixed. The coupons are showing up and they are attaching to products. So, like I always say, I recommend that y'all sign in on the website on Sundays to clip your new digital coupons to your account because they will all show up all at once. So the coupons were showing up on the website this morning, and that's why I say that because typically, without fail, they are always on the website, even if they're not showing up in the DG app. So enough of my rambling. Let's go ahead and jump right in. We're going to scroll through. We're going to skip over some of these, but we're going to go over the best deals that I think y'all need to know about right now. And then we're going to go into more in depth in the good deals and glitch list video, which I already have started, so it should be uploaded tomorrow for you all. So be on the lookout for that. All right, first up, we have a 50 cent off one for the Clorox liquid bleach. The 116 ounce bottles are $4.25, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. We have a 3 off 2 for the Colgate toothpastes. So if you want to pick up the Max Fresh toothpaste, those are on sale 2 for $5. So pick up 2, use this coupon, you're going to pay $2 for 2. We do have a little bit of a higher value coupon, and you'll see that here in just a second. But I'm going to go ahead and clip that just in case I need a filler item or something for Saturday. Alright, we have 150 off one for the Lysol laundry sanitizer, 150 off one for the Airwick scented, the twin refills. This one was not attaching to the starter kits as of right now for me. That may change. They may still be fixing some of these coupons in the app. So we'll see. I'll update you guys in the good deals and glitch list video, but be aware that we do have a buy one get one free digital coupon, so that is definitely a higher value coupon. If you want to, I'm going to leave this one alone because I know I still have that buy one get one free on my account. So just keep that in mind. Here's this higher value Colgate coupon. It's a 2 off 1. So if you want to pick up one of the Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste, you're going to pay $2.85, but after the coupon, it'll be just 85 cents. So again, another good little filler item for Saturday. We have a new 4 off 1 digital coupon for the Schick Intuition razors. Those are priced at $7.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. All right, here we have some Garnier coupons. Now, we also have printable Garnier coupons, so I'm telling you guys, go and print off those printable coupons on Inbox Dollars. I've already printed mine off. You have a limit of 2 per account, but you can make multiple accounts, okay? So keep that in mind. All right, so we have a 3 off 2 for the Garnier Fructis products, and we also have a 3 off 2 for the Garnier Whole Blends products. So we're definitely going to go ahead and clip both of those, but we're going to discuss what they are attaching to later on in the video because we do have a DG store coupon that is stacking. So go ahead and clip both of those. We have 3 off 1 for the AmeriGas Exchange or Spare Tank. 4 off 1 for the Centrum vitamins. So this is an awesome deal. This is working on the Centrum vitamins that are priced at $5. It is not attaching to all of them, though. So make sure that y'all scan in the store whenever you're choosing which vitamins to pick up. Make sure that you scan it to make sure that that 4 off 1 coupon does attach. So after you pick up one of those, that's going to leave you paying just $1. Next up, 405 off 1 for the Kingsford charcoal. So we're headed into summer. Everybody's grilling out. This coupon is working on the 16-pound bags. They're priced at $13. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $8.95. Pretty good little high-value coupon there. We have a 2 off 1 for the Finish products. So we do have some lower value coupons that y'all need to be aware of. We do have 1 off 1. Be on the lookout for some clearance Finish items because I have been seeing those pop up here and there, and that might attach to some of those on clearance. Here we have a lower value coupon for 125 off 1 for the Centrum products. I'm definitely going to leave that one alone because I have that 4 off 1. That's a higher value coupon. I want to use that one first. Next up, another really awesome deal this week. We have a 4 off 1 digital coupon for the Covergirl Eye Products, and this does work on the 2-count eyeliner pencils. They're priced at $4.50. So after that coupon, you're going to pay just 50 cents. So we are going to have some really awesome deals this week, all week long, with that 3 off 15 DG store coupon plus our 5 off 25 for Saturday. So we have Sour Patch Kids. We have some allergy medicines. We have 150 off 1 for the Gold Bond lotions. So if you can find the smaller, I think it's like a 4.3 ounce and a 5.5 ounce, those are both priced at $4.40. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.90. We have 1 off 1 for the Tums, the 70 count fruit flavor, I believe it was. Those are priced at $3.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.50. We have 75 cents off for the Band-Aid or Neosporin products. If you want to pick up the 60 count Band-Aids, those are priced at $2.85. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.10. We have 1 off 1 for the extra laundry detergents. Those are priced at $5.30. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4.30. We have Mucinex, more allergy medicine, Allegra. We have a 4 off 1 for the CoverGirl face products. Those are priced at $6, or they start out at $6. So after the coupon, you would pay $2. There's different foundations and powders that y'all can pick up. All right, we're going to skip through some of these. We've got hair color products. We have Cortisone 10, Hidden Valley, Nexium. We have Clairol hair color, Banana Boat. So if you want to pick up the After Sun lotion, those are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3. We have Copper Tone. We have 1 a day. Now, I'm going to pass on clipping this one for now. I'm going to double check my insert coupons and my printable coupons because I'm pretty sure that there are some higher value coupons out there for the 1 a day vitamins. And plus, we do have the 4 off 1 for the Centrum. So I'm going to pass on this 1 off 1 for the 1 a day. All right, Garnier Color Sensation. We have Hawaiian Tropic for the sunscreen. $6.99 off 2 for the STEM products. Now, I did finally see these pop up in my store. I found them on an end cap. They are priced at $7 each. So picking up 2, this is basically a buy 1, get 1 free coupon. You'll pay, what, $7.01 for 2. All right, we have 4 off 1 for the CoverGirl Clean Beauty products. This one wasn't attaching to anything as of right now, but we'll go ahead and clip it just so we have it on our accounts. We have 50 cents off for the DG Health Ibuprofen 100 count. Those are priced at $2.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. We have 2 off 1 for the DG Health Antibiotic Cream, the hydrocortisone or the eczema creams. Now, these start out at $2.60, so great deal here. After that coupon is applied, you're going to pay just 60 cents. So definitely clip that one. We have 2 off 1. This is like an arthritis pain relieving gel. These are priced at $7.50, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. We have 1 off 1 for the Rexall vitamins. If you want to pick up the vitamin D3 60 count, those are priced at $2. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just $1. So another really cheap and awesome deal that we have going on this week. We have another really awesome deal for this week, especially because it is getting hot outside. So we have a 1 off 2 digital coupon for the Nestle Drumsticks or the Outshine Popsicles, and this is a DG store coupon. So if you want to pick up either one of those, they're both on sale, 2 for $7. If you want to pick up the Nestle Drumsticks, like I said, 2 for $7 this week. We have this 1 off 2 DG store coupon, plus we have a 1 off 2 manufacturer coupon for the Nestle ice creams. So that's going to leave you paying $5 for 2. Now, if you want to pick up the Outshine popsicles, those are also on sale, 2 for $7. With this 1 off 2 digital coupon, that's going to leave you paying $6 for 2. So good little deal there. We have a 1 off 1 digital coupon for the True Living Soft Bath Tissue 32 double rolls. So these are $10.50. After that coupon, you're going to pay $9.50. Alright guys, here is our first glitch. So we have a 1 off 3 for the American greeting cards. It's back and it is working on the 50-cent cards. So make sure that y'all scan after you pick out which cards you want, make sure that you scan them to make sure that digital coupon attaches. So pick up a total of 3 at 50 cents each. That's going to put you at $1.50. After this coupon is applied, you're going to pay 50 cents for all 3. So that is awesome. Alright, we have 3 off 1 for the L'Oreal Paris Hair Color. We have DG Health Allergy Relief Tablets. And here is our 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Garnier Fructis or the Whole Blends Shampoos, Conditioners, and Styling Products. Now, this is a DG store coupon. The ones that we saw earlier were manufacturer coupons. Now, typically, in the past, we have had the 3 off 2 for the Garnier Fructis manufacturer coupon stack with this DG store coupon for 3 off 2, and that would leave us paying 2 cents for 2 bottles of the shampoos. But here lately, they have kind of switched it up on us. So if you want to pick up a total of 3, you have to pick up a total of 3 to get both of those coupons to stack for the Garnier Fructis products. Now, there's different ways that y'all can mix and match with some other products that I'm going to go in more depth in the Good Deals and Glitch List video. Because it's just easier to show you guys and explain it when I have visuals on the screen for you. But just for right now, a really good deal you can do is pick up a total of 3 of the Garnier Fructis shampoos, conditioners, or styling products that are priced at $3 each. Both of those digital coupons will apply, so that's going to leave you paying $3 for 3, making those $1 each. Or you could also use this DG store coupon on the Whole Blends products. Those are priced at $3.75. So picking up 2 is going to put you at $7.50. We have this 3 off 2 DG store coupon plus that 3 off 2 manufacturer coupon. That's going to leave you paying $1.50 for 2. Either one of those deals are really good. I think it's a really good price, even though it was even better when we were getting them for free, basically free. So anyways, there's your couple of deals there, and this coupon is also glitching, and it is working on the Garnier Travel Size Shampoos, the Garnier Fructis Travel Size Shampoos. They're priced at $1.30. A lot of people have been finding them in the clearance section, so be on the lookout for them there. Pick up a total of 2, use this 3 off 2 DG store coupon, and that's going to leave you paying 2 cents for 2 of the travel size. So there's your second glitch for this week. Alright, moving on down, we have 25 cents off 1 for the Kiss hair color. We have 1 off 1 for the Febreze 2-count car clips. Now, this is something new that they're doing. It says redeemable only on Saturday, 5/28. So, not sure what's going on with that. It isn't showing up as attaching to anything right now. That may be different by Saturday. Hopefully it is. I'm pretty sure that these are priced at $5 for the 2-count. So after that coupon, you would pay $4. And hopefully it will attach to the Gain products, because we did receive a new Gain coupon for save $5 on any Gain scented purchases of $30 or more. So definitely go ahead and clip that one. That one doesn't expire until June the 18th. And then good to see this coupon is still back this week. Again, we have our 5 off $25 digital coupons. So go ahead and clip that one to your account. I can't tell you all how relieved I am every Sunday to see that 5 off 25 pop up. I'm like, don't be doing any more testing on us. Don't be playing with our 5 off 25s, DG, okay? Alright, moving on down, we have a 1 off 1 for the Gain Flings and the other laundry products. These are all priced at $4.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We have 2 off 1 for the Tide. We have 3 off 1 for the Downy and the Gain Liquid laundry detergents. So we have a 3 off 2 for the Gillette or Venus disposable razors. Go ahead and clip that one. 1 off 1 for the Pantene Truly Natural. I couldn't get anything to attach to this in the app as of right now, but we'll see. We'll see if we can find anything in the store. Next up, we have a DG store coupon for save $1 when you spend $3 on Butterfinger, Crunch, Baby Ruth, and 100 Grand singles. These are priced at $1 each. So pick up a total of 3. Use this coupon. You're going to pay $2 for 3. And moving on down, we have a one-off one for the Nitro Pepsi single served. These are priced at $2, so after the coupon, you're going to pay just $1. And we did receive a 4-off one for the Gillette refills. If you want to pick up the Mach 3 refills, those are priced at $11.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $7.50. And then we also received a 4-off one for the Gillette razors. So pick up the Gillette Mach 3 razor at $7.65. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.65. Alright guys, so that is it for our new Dollar General digital coupons for today. Like I said, stay tuned because I will have the good deals and glitch list video up tomorrow. Plus, we should have some really awesome 3 off 15 daily deals that you guys can do all week long. So make sure that you are subscribed, turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Hit that thumbs up button for me because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how y'all are doing today and please take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.